Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Girl Diaries Vlogs. I will not share a vlog video today, but I will share a very interesting video with you. So let's go. To speak in English very easily without any fear and any doubt. Let me tell you some tips and tricks for this. Tips number 1, reading more and more newspaper. Tips number 2, English movies or English songs are gold. Tips number 3, stand in front of mirror without any fear, any doubt, and speak English as much as possible. Need to know and interested in English, the meaning of small words. Tips number 4, speak English daily with someone as much as possible. Number 5, reading English books daily. Tips number 6, learning the correct pronunciation of English word from Google. Number 7, know the exact meaning of each word. Another important aspect of learning English is learning. For him, reading English books daily, reading carefully. In addition to acquiring a lot of vocabulary knowledge, because there are many differences between speak and writing English. Tips number 8, you learn natural English, you learn pronunciation, you get context. Tips number 9, try to speak English with someone as much as possible. You want to subscribe to my channel and stay with me. See you again in a new episode. Until then, stay in healthy. So, tata, bye bye. Allah Hafiz.